So to make the popcorns, first let's mix all the dry ingredients, and for that in a flat container take 1 cup of all-purpose flour. A little bit of white flour is fine as multigrain flour won't taste good in this recipe. To this add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to make the popcorns crisp and seal the flavor of the chicken. Next, 1 teaspoon of rosemary and garlic powder. If you don't have the rosemary, then add only garlic powder for that strong pungent taste. Then half teaspoon of black pepper powder. You can also add white pepper powder. Then add half teaspoon of red chili flakes to add that extra spicy taste. And finally, half teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. Now mix all the dry ingredients and keep aside. Meanwhile, prepare the chicken, and for that, in a bowl take 2 egg whites. Using only egg whites will ensure that the coating on the chicken stays and doesn't separate while cooking. Now to this add 1/4 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. You can also avoid adding pepper if you don't like much of the taste. Now whisk the egg whites till they form a bit of foam. Make sure not to whisk them to silky smooth. A little of foam will evenly coat the small pieces of the chicken. Now to this whipped eggs, add 400 grams of boneless chicken cut into small pieces. For baking and air frying, chicken breast pieces are the best options as they are simple to process, cooking time is less and doesn't have a chewy taste when baked or air fried. Mix nicely and make sure the chicken is perfectly coated. To get that very thin layer of flour coating on your popcorns, strain out the excess of liquid from the chicken pieces using a strainer or a skimmer. Now add these chicken pieces to the dry mixture and with the hands coat the chicken pieces evenly from all the sides. Dust out excess of the flour and keep them on a plate. After cooking all the chicken pieces, either you can bake them on 400 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or air fry them. So I am going to air fry. And for that, I will put the chicken pieces to the air frying basket of the air fryer and toss to remove the excess flour. On the top, spray some olive oil and toss again to evenly coat the oil to the chicken pieces. Now air fry on 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Make sure to check in between. After 30 minutes, take them out and serve hot. And as I told you earlier, because they are not oil fried, they won't remain crispy as they cool down completely. So make sure to eat them when the popcorns are hot. So finally, the chicken popcorns are ready and they're looking perfect and super crispy. Quantities of the ingredients are in the description box. Do give it a look.